Welcome, and following is a HUAWEI P40 Pro, and today I will show you how to add a photo to your contact. So to get started, let's open up the dialer app and go into contacts, and from here choose the contact that you wish to add a photo to. So keep in mind that the contacts with the SIM card icon will not be able to have photos. That's because they're located on the SIM card, and SIM card just doesn't take photos. It cannot save them onto it. It doesn't have the space for it. So you will need to have the contact on your phone, which, as you can see, I have one right below that. So tap on that, and then you want to go into edit, then tap on the camera icon right here, and we'll give you two options: either take a photo, which will launch a camera and you can just capture one and use it as a contact, or choose from gallery, which that's what I'm gonna do, and then it should open up the gallery. Now I tried to record this before, and for some unknown reason I was opening right here. Basically it was opening the camera, or well, the roll, and it was completely empty, even though this photo was there anyway. And not sure what, I downloaded another photo and it went back to normal. So if you have the same problem, try to add another photos to it maybe. Not sure if that's a problem with the device or whatever it is, but in any case, let's just choose the photo right here. When you tap on the photo, then you can move it around, resize it, so you can see you can choose a specific part of it. And once you're satisfied with how it's positioned, tap on the check mark right here once more, and there we go. Now there is the photo added to the contact. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.